Hi everyone. Today I was reading a Bhagavad Gita and one small lesson that really made me think. So I thought let's share it with you guys. Imagine you have important presentation at your school, your college or your work, and you feel insecure or nervous if you are not prepared enough. So in that situation, what we do is we start talking a lot about how prepared we are, how perfect our work is, and how others are not that good. So in Mahabharata chapter 1 shlok 5 to 8, Duryodhan does something similar. He keeps talking Dronacharya, who is his teacher, about how strong his team is and how powerful the enemy is. He talks too much about the warriors, their powers and much more. Not because Dronacharya needs that information, but because he is trying to hide his own fear. So in modern life, we do the same thing. We arrive early and loudly say to everyone that I have checked my slides so many times, my data is perfect and our project is better than other teams. So what I'm trying to say is, we are not saying this to inform others. We are saying this to convince ourselves. The lesson: when we feel insecure, we seek validation by listening our achievements. So the Srimad Bhagavad Gita teaches us a silent small lesson that insecurity makes noise and confidence stays always calm.